Hello, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're returning. Welcome if this is your first time. And my name is Christine, and this is my no niche channel because I don't have a niche. I must say, okay, the weather for this year was a 10 out of 10. I judge a year's weather according to how the summer is. So it was sunny, it was bright, there was very little rain. So I give it a 10 out of 10, guys. Unlike last year, last year was insane. Anyway, I come from the gym after having not been there in a while. I only went on this day, then I didn't go back. I still haven't gone back. I don't know what's wrong with me. But anyway, I will go back as soon as I can. Probably when I upload this video, I would have gone to the gym. I promise. So afterwards, I had to make something to eat. I opted for lasagna because I can eat it for 2 days. And I had to go fetch my jeans because I had to take them to the tailor to repair a zip. I bought the jeans in South Africa and the zip just got damaged. So walk with me. So that place was only 8-minute walk from my house to get the jeans. The jeans were in a good condition. They actually did them so quick because I handed them over and they asked me, is it urgent or not? I told them, nope, take your time. And they only did it in 3 days, I think. But initially they told me because I'm not in a hurry, it will take them a week, but they did it in 3 days. Also, I don't have a balcony, guys. So this is all there is. I'm the only person in this building who doesn't have a balcony. Everybody else has a balcony. But yeah, the following day, my friends and I decided that we want to go to Leicester.
You guys are going to Leicester?
Yes.
You said okay anyway.
You said okay anyway.
I just take a ride, yeah?
No, we are okay.
Don't go to North Africa, then. See, don't get I feel like is it even a girl's trip if you don't go window shopping? Eh? my battery ended up dying. But we went to another park and then we took loads of pictures and then we went home. You see, this is why I can't be consistent. Things just keep interrupting me. Like, why on earth did that battery die? But anyway, on this day, man, I decided, this was the following day, I decided I'm going to try to go into baking because winter's coming. I need some indoor hobbies. Oh my gosh, my grandmother is probably turning in her grave because how can I fail like this? This baking was an epic fail. Just stay tuned just to see how I messed up. Oh, I can't believe it. If I knew that I was gonna mess this up, I don't know what I would have done. I would have tried. Anyway, this is where I went wrong. The packet said roasted unsalted pistachio. I thought they don't smell like roasted nuts. They don't look roasted. Let me take them out of the shell and roast them for like 5 minutes. You see, that is where I went wrong. Okay, this was enough. This is what they look like. Oh my lord. After this they smelled really burnt. You couldn't smell, pistachio has that smell. The smell was gone. It was just like burnt nuts. But then I had hope. I don't know from where. Anyway, these clips, some of them got lost. Like whenever I want to upload them onto the editing app, they just wouldn't upload. I don't know why. Another reason why I delayed. But yeah, I learned my lesson, guys. Baking, I don't know, man. Maybe I should try some other time. This was a fail. I don't know why did I think I bought a sieve. I honestly remember seeing myself picking up a sieve in a shop. I just don't know, did I actually buy it or not? Anyway, when I was doing the flour, I realized no, I don't have a sieve. And then, man, and then I realized that I need to use a rolling pin. I don't have a rolling pin. So I improvised. I used the cling wrap. Oh, this was another disaster. Like after I added the nuts, I could just see that I don't think this is going according to plan. It doesn't look like a cookie dough at all. And I didn't have space. Like just everything was I was improvising. When you're busy, making a plan after plan B after plan B, and then you're like, nah, this is not working. But I had put too much effort already to not continue. So I thought, you know what? Maybe there is light at the end of the tunnel. No, there wasn't. No. Like, what is this? What I tried to cut the dough. What is this thing? I know that a dough needs to take shape when you cut it. It must not be wet like this. You understand? Like, look. Oh my Lord. This is when I knew that something's wrong. It's supposed to be non-stick like that. So I did what I thought. I took the dough back to the mixing bowl and added more flour to make it thick. I don't know what on earth, like, I thought this would be a good step, to thicken it up. It did thicken up, but it's not how it's supposed to be. I was supposed to put it in the fridge. Oh, yeah. I At this point, I had hope, okay? My hopes were beginning to come up. Like, yes, this dough is now thick. This is how doughs that are about to go into the oven look like. Hey, if only I knew what was waiting. Uh, I don't know how to describe this experience. It was like a roller coaster. One moment things are going my way, the next they're not. was at this point, I was like, finally, they're going into the oven and I'm gonna have a happy ending. No, I wasn't. Because when I went back to read, I saw that I was supposed to take the dough to the fridge first for 20 minutes before I put it in the oven. So I was like, no way. So now I had to take it out of the oven into the fridge. I was doubting here, like, should I not? I was like, what the hell? So I put it in the fridge. Right. Shock of my life. Okay? I thought to melt chocolate, it's very simple task. Put the thing in heat, it will melt. I was completely wrong. According to one of my colleagues, white chocolate for cooking is different from white chocolate, the one that we eat, okay? I put it on there and I thought, when I get up from this couch, that thing is going to be nice and, liquidy. I scrolled past TikTok. I was like, oh, finally the cookies are in the oven. The chocolate is melting. I can see the light at the end of this tunnel. That light was like an oncoming train to smash my dreams. This is the inspo. Can you see how beautiful these cookies look like? They look mouth-watering. They look like sophisticated. They look like somebody really put an effort. This is what I produced. Oh my Lord. I was like, okay, I'll try with the second batch. Same story, okay? Same story. The oven was hot enough. I don't know what happened. Also, that chocolate, I knew for sure it's gonna melt. It didn't melt. It became that clump. Yes, it didn't become liquid at all. It became that thing. So, oh, this was the second batch. Like, I don't understand what I did, to be honest. I think it was the measurements, flour and the sugar and everything. So I thought, I'm tired of this thing now. Let me melt the chocolate in the oven because it's not happening on top of the stove. Oh, the chocolate began to cook in the oven. It began to get roasted. I was shocked. Like, chocolate can turn into this. Anyway, after being shocked and shocked again, I made peace and started cleaning up. I was like, you know what? I don't think this recipe didn't go well. And I'll try next time if I have the strength, or I'll try another, okay? Another recipe, not this one. This one is for pros. Because honestly, look at those. Look at that. I really pictured myself eating these and be like, for the first time in my life, I'll have nice cookies. But yeah. I even tried dipping it in chocolate. Oh, you know what? Bad. What a bad baking session. This cookie is literally the only one that obeyed me. I don't know what, I don't know. and I haven't tasted them yet. I'm scared of tasting them. I'll taste them tomorrow at work. Okay. Right now, I'm just too disappointed to taste anything. I couldn't even cook dinner. I ordered a wrap, like some chicken wrap and chips. Anyway, the good thing is my flowers are beautiful. Yeah, apart from that, no, 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 no. So I'm going to work tomorrow, and I'm thinking now, do I have pants to go to work with or not? But I think I do. If not, I'll wash one. But I think I do have clothes. Um, I'll just make my kitchen smell like jasmine, and then I'll see you guys on the next segment of this video.